Hello, welcome to another video. This video is more so to test out my new camera. Bought a new camera, upgraded, try and deliver better quality videos. Let me know if you can sense the quality upgrade, hopefully. I just uploaded a video of grouting my own shower, and funnily enough, this job, I'm doing the exact same thing to a shower that I quoted for. And I haven't even looked at the job, so I quoted this blind. So I guess we're going to see if I did good or bad. But yeah, it's basically going to be similar to the other video. A bit more day in the life, might vlog me going to Bunnings and getting what I need. But other than that, we're going to go in. I'm going to ask the tenants if they want me to record or not, because that's important to do. But yeah, going to go in. Actually, first I want to get all my stuff out and put it in there. And it's absolutely raining. I don't know if you guys can see. The window is absolutely raining. So yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna get tools out and I'm gonna start. The process is rip out all the old grout, clean it up, go to Bunnings, get similar grout color, come back, grout it, then come back tomorrow, clean it up and re-silicone around the edges. Very simple. But yeah, fingers crossed this isn't bad because I quoted it blind. Let's have a look. Alright, just got all my tools, and looking at the bathroom, I think I quoted okay. Have a look at this. So, pretty small. It's actually like almost identical to my one at home, which is funny. But identical too, because the grout's just worn away. It's just worn away, so that's it's due. There's a crack here, which I mean that's going to be, I don't know what we're going to do about that, but not really much we can do. We didn't quote on replacing it. There's another crack up there. You might not be able to see it on that tile. Where else? There's a crack. There's a few cracks everywhere, to be honest with you. And there's minimal silicone on the sides. So yeah. In terms of quotes, pretty cool. There is cracks, but we can't really do anything with that. Like, we just got to deal with it. I don't know. It might be worth putting some tape or something over that crack, just so it doesn't fill up with grout. I'm not sure. I mean, we can't really do anything. We're not here to replace. We're just here to re-grout. So I guess we'll just start, eh? I've got to rip it all out, and yeah, shouldn't take too long. Shouldn't take too long because we are using a multi-tool now. Last time I did it manually. I did it with the rake, and I've got the rake too. If you watch my other video, the rake, the bit was blunt, but I bought a new one. So we're using that too, but yeah. Because we're getting paid for this, we need to be efficient. But anyway, let's start, eh? Alright, just finish this. Obviously we don't have to go as deep, but and a lot of it was washed away. You can see where it's darker was where it was wet, so it's just how it's going to happen. Cleaned up, wiped it down a bit, And also, I'm going to try this. I've never done it. I'm going to put tape over this crack and grout it. Hopefully it stays there, and then pull it off. So I feel like that will not let grout go in there. I've never done it. There's nothing I can do anyway because it's cracked. But I'm thinking that might help. This one's too far gone. That one's not going to work. I mean, maybe I should try and do that one. It's going to be interesting, this one here. But yeah, there's not much you can do. Here to regrout, not retile. I just need to go through and take a bit of the silicone off around the sides, and then I've got to go get some of the grout rejuvenation, and we can start grouting. Alright, just at Bunnings now. I'll take you in with me. We'll have a look at the grout we're going to be getting. There's no Bunnings snag on today, so I'm spewing. But anyway, let's go in. Alright, they don't have what I need, but this one will be it, I think. So I picked up the grout. It's this one here. It's the closest grey I could find, to be honest. They know it's not going to be a perfect match because you can't. It's like with painting. You can't get a perfect match. You'll get new, and it will look new. Like basically, that's exactly what it is. I haven't got used to filming myself and recording when people are like right next to me. So there was like 3 people in the aisle plus a worker, and they're just looking at me while I was recording the grout section. So I haven't got used to that yet, but anyway, that's all good. So yeah, this is interior, exterior, walls, floors, and wet areas. So this is perfect. We're also putting a sealer on top of it tomorrow once this dries. Today, well, I'm going to put it on today. It's going to dry for tomorrow morning. So yeah, that's going to be that. I'm going to go get something to eat, and I guess I'll see you at the shower. Right, that's done. Just put the sponge over a little bit. That'll all clean up tomorrow. But yeah, so you can see where I put the tape. It sort of worked out alright, you know, worked out good. So I think that might be a little trick. Yeah, but anyway, this needs to dry. Tomorrow we come back, clean it all, and the grout's dry. You can't clean it now because it's just going to keep taking the grate out. So you got to make sure it's a thin layer on the tiles so it's easy to clean. And then you let it dry, come back, you buff it out a couple of times if you need to, and then we'll caulk around the sides. So yes, that is it. So that's done, and I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, back at this one now, it's all dry. We're going to get the sponge out and we're going to wash this all down. Yeah, it's the next day now, so it's all dry, so yeah, should be good. Looks like the tape did well. You can see the spots, but yeah, let's give this a wash. So that's all cleaned up and looks pretty good. You got to make sure that it's pretty well cleaned up before you let it to dry, because anything thick would just take forever to wipe off. I was using a sponge. Maybe not a sponge is the best way, something a bit harder, like a cloth. Yeah, so I just dried around the edges. You can see the little dark spot there. That's fine because that's going to be covered by silicone. And yeah, let's got a tape around silicone and we are done. And then I'll tell you how much I charge for this. Alright, that is all done and sealed. So tell the tenants that 24 hours they can use it. Came up well, grout's pretty good, I'd say. Grout looks good. Yeah, I didn't end up taping, I just caulked it because the tape wasn't sticking because the tiles were wet. Even when you dry it, sometimes the tape doesn't stick. So, but yeah, it looks much better than it did. Happy days. Alright, so that one's done. Yeah, all siliconed and everything, so they can have a shower in 24 hours. That's cool. As for the price of this one, I quoted $8.75. Now, I didn't look at photos or anything, so that's something important to note. But yeah, $8.75 including GST. So, ends up alright. We did a total of 3 working, like, billable hours there. It was 2 hours before yesterday and then 1 hour today, cleaning it up and siliconing around. And also we did, it was 2 trips as well. So 2 trips, 3 hours, probably $6.50 profit. Not bad. Not bad at all. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. This video was more about testing out the new camera and for me, so I hope you did enjoy it, but if you didn't, that's alright. More to come. Hopefully have some different type of content, different type of jobs coming up in the future, but yeah, until then, see you later.